Chinese hospitals and funeral homes were under intense pressure on Wednesday as a surging COVID-19 wave drained resources. The scale of the outbreak and doubts over official data prompted some countries to consider new travel rules on Chinese visitors. In an abrupt change of policy, China this month began dismantling the world's strictest COVID regime of lockdowns and extensive testing, putting its battered economy on course for a complete reopening next year. The lifting of restrictions came after widespread protests against them. Some international health experts say this means COVID is spreading largely unchecked and could be infecting millions of people a day. China's foreign ministry on Wednesday said there should be a scientific basis for implementing COVID-19 rules after the US government announced it may impose new measures for travelers from China. US officials made the announcement on Tuesday over concerns over a, quote, lack of transparent data coming from Beijing. Japan has said that from December 31st it will require a negative COVID test upon arrival for travellers from mainland China, while Taiwan will test arrivals from China from January 1st. Italy has also said it will impose mandatory testing for travellers from China. In a major step towards freer travel, China will stop requiring inbound travellers to go into quarantine from January 8th, authorities said this week. The global financial hub of Hong Kong also said on Wednesday it would scrap most of its last remaining COVID restrictions. The speed at which China, the last major country in the world moving towards treating the virus as endemic, has scrapped COVID rules, has left its fragile health system overwhelmed. China reported 3 new COVID-related deaths for Tuesday, up from 1 for Monday. These numbers are inconsistent with what funeral parlours are reporting, as well as with the experience of much less populous countries after they reopened.